Lamentation, chapter 5, verse 1, the NLT translation. The NLT translation. The headline reads, Prayers for Restoration. Prayers for Restoration. That was very spiritual. Just saw that now. So I can. Yahweh Yahushua, remember what has happened to us. See how we have been disgraced. Verse 2. Our inheritance has been turned over to strangers, our homes to foreigners. I'd like to give all prayers and honor and glory to Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahushua, Ba'ashem Rakakudash. And while Yahweh Yahushua for giving us the apostles and the elders of Great Millstone, who deserve double honors, rightfully so. Shalom to the Akim, pushing the words in sincerity and truth, being faith-based, and being prepared for what is to come. What is to come? Race wars, famine, concentration camps, the Alpha, Egypt, which is the mark of the beast. 200 million missiles hitting the soils of America. Simultaneously, the chariots of the Lord lift up the hopeful elect into the chambers. Simultaneously, the chariots of the Lord shooting laser beams at the ungodly and the heathens. Rightfully so. Here, I'll brought the Zod, Lord, take the course of this video. Just a vessel seeking salvation out of this filthy place, virtue known as Sodom, Gomorrah, Egypt, Babylon, and all the other filthy customs that have taken upon. And, yeah. This video is sponsored by Prayers for Restoration. Prayers for Restoration. Restoration. I went this word tons of times. It's a very powerful word.
Restoration.
Restoration. The actions of returning something to a former owner, place, or condition. So that's what we're praying for, that. I brought this out of the Lord. I'm one of those men that, as a part of this predestinated, a part of the predestinated ones, and all my inheritance get returned to me. And that's what I'm fighting for. Because my spirit bear witness with this truth, that I'm a child of Yahweh Yahushua. We family. You know, that's what I feel inside through the spirit of Yahweh Yahushua. And I was thinking, I was watching this thing going on in Israel, how they blowing each other away over there, whatever happened, or it sounded like more of a setup. Something ain't right. Something ain't right. I don't know, but if you're not Yasha Allah, if you're not of the children of Yahweh, a child of God, right? You're not supposed to be over there in Jerusalem. Okay? You're not supposed to be over there. Alright, so let's read this again. It says, Lamentation chapter 5, verse 1. The NLT translation. Yahweh Yahushua, remember what has happened to us. Okay? We want Yahweh Shemel just keep us in mind what, we sinned, and we want him to forgive us for our sins. I was verse, another verse I read the day before yesterday. Jeez. Yeah. So we want the Lord to forgive us for our sins. All right. Wash us thoroughly, like it says in Psalm chapter 51. I just read that too. Keep us in mind you know, so we can get up out of here, man. You know, and we have to keep praying to the Lord, and He hears our prayers, man. And you want the angels, the messengers, Raphael, and the rest of the angels to catch those prayers that you send out, so you can get up out of here, man. And it's coming, and it's close. And the Wadi Abashim El Shah for that. Brakadei Howell, Brakadei El Shah. Brakadei Howell, Brakadei Abashim El Shah, Abashim Kodash. And Lamentation chapter 5, verse 1. Lord Yahweh Yahweh Shah, Honor One Yahweh Abashim El Shah. Remember what has happened to us. See how we have been disgraced. We have been disgraced, man. And we have been brought down to nothing. Okay. It says in the KJV, it says, remember, O Yahweh Yahweh Shah, what is come upon us. Consider and behold our reproach. So behold our reproach, Lord. And I'm always saying this recently, you know, we can't, oh boy, you think about it. If there was no, if we didn't have Yahweh Shemel Shah, we would be been destroyed already. That's how you know Yahweh Shemel Shah is real. We would have been destroyed. There was no Yahweh. It's a Yahweh Shemel Shah. Because this ordeal, they would have been, they can't even bust a move that fast. You know? That's why we have somebody to pray to. That's why it makes sense about the angels being camped around us. When they look like us, they speak Hebrew, and they big, tall, angry men, dark-skinned brothers. Right? Who tell us the messages, who catch our prayers and bring us the message from Yahweh Shemel Shah and what we got to do down here. And our King Yahweh Shah has overcome the world. You know, let's find that verse real fast. So I can just going in the spirit. Let's see if I can find that. I have overcome the world, Bible verse.
According to BYU.
Slakia. This is let's go to I like to see the words in red. John 16. Our King has done it. And we got hope. I'm about to tell those men that we can do it too. Cause I'm sick of this place, man. I'm just like, oh, I'm so drained out, burnt out. And this based upon, no, we can't bust no moves, but John 16, right? Oh, this is what Yahweh Shah said. We're gonna read in the NLT translation first. Just to get a little smoother. John chapter 16, verse 33. I have told you all this so that you may have peace in me. See, and that's what we have to have, peace in Yahweh Shem Shah. This is what holds us together. Here on earth you will have many trials and sorrow, but take heart, because I have overcome the world. Yeah, so he done it. Take to mind that he did what we want to accomplish. I wrote this out. We one of those men. Let's read that in the KJV. These things have I spoken unto you, that in me ye might have peace. And through Yahweh Shemel Shah we have peace. He's the mediator to Yahweh Shah. I mean to Yahweh. Yahweh Shah is the mediator to Yahweh. In the world ye shall have tribulation, but be of good cheer. I have overcome the world. And this how you know he said that this is a red. He has to overcome this world, man. He did it, man. Let's see something real quick. Let's see what this is Cosmos. He came here to overcome the world. So he has overcome this world, man. And it's our turn to achieve this. And we have peace. We have peace and tranquility that we know this, man. And hey, he just told you it wasn't easy. Like, if we was in another body back then, and during that time we was there with him and we saw these things, we knew what he experienced. We saw what he experienced. All right. So let's read this again. John chapter 16, verse 33. These things I have spoken unto you. He did speak these things. He's speaking to us now. He spoke to us back then, and he's speaking to us now. Because if we was a part of that multitude that he fed with that one fish and that one bread, remember he brought the fish in abundance. He made the fish into abundance, and he made the bread out of his bread. He made miracles in front of us. That's a miracle. Right there, I'm about to how we was one of those sincere brothers and sisters. Watched them, and it was a miracle. Salakia. These things have I spoken unto you, and that in me ye might have peace in the world. Ye shall have tribulation, and we have lots of tribulation. We know what tribulation means, right? Let's go into the word tribulation.
Tribulation.
A cause of great trouble or suffering. The state of great trouble or suffering. So tribulation is coming, man. And we supposed to go through this. This how you supposed to get this evidence. We gotta be the one inside this world going through this, man. We gotta be the ones going through this. You know? We gotta go through this. And we gotta stay focused and knowing that experience worketh patient. Just quoting the verse. Because still to this day, man, I'm still amazed at it. All right, so we gotta be of good cheer. We know these people are crazy. I know they're crazy. Salakia. Galatians chapter 1 verse 4. Who gave himself for our sins, that he might deliver us from this present evil world, according to the will of Yahweh and our Father Yahweh Shah. Our Father Yahweh. So who did that? Yahweh Shah, man. And we gotta do the same thing, man. We gotta be able to we gotta go through this, man. And in my mind, I'm just waking up right now. The time is 4:46 a.m. Monday, October 9th, 2023. The whole year old prophecies come to pass. And we gotta stay focused, man. This is the moment of clarity, man. In this world, we gotta give up everything in this world, man. We know we gotta. It's a matter of time, man. When this system collapses, man, what are you gonna have? What are you gonna have then? Nothing. They're gonna try to push them C hips on you, and what you gonna be doing? You gotta overcome this world. We got it. Remember the Lord said we gonna do greater things than Him. If we those men, if we those men, we gonna do greater things than Him. We're gonna have a greater story, but He's the one that's gonna give us this power. He's gonna make us happen. He's gonna make it happen for us right before our eyes, man, and before our enemies' eyes. That's right. It says, First John chapter 4, verse 4. Ye are of Yahweh, little children, and have overcome them, because greater is He that is in you than he that is in the world. So, man, the Yahweh is greater than in you than in this world. They are of the world, therefore speak they of the world, and the world heareth them. We are of Yahweh. He that knoweth Yahweh heareth us. He that is not of Yahweh heareth not us. Hereby now we are the Spirit. Hereby know we are the Spirit of truth and the spirit of error. Beloved, let us love one another, for it is our power, and everyone that loveth is born of Yahweh, knoweth Yahweh. And that's right. And like I said earlier, our spirit bear witness with Yahweh Shemel Shah, that we the children of Yahweh Shemel Shah. And that's how we know that we are distinguished even from the 2/3, man. They got theirs, they got this world, and we got the world to come. And then we're gonna the Lord still gonna have mercy on them, like, even though they enemies to us now, but they're gonna come back as our babies. They're not gonna rebel no more. First John chapter 5, verse 4. For whosoever is born of Yahweh overcomes the world. And this is the victory that overcometh the world, even our faith, man. This is the victory. We have to get the victory, man. We overcome. We the ones, man. We gonna have. That's what we gotta have faith. We gotta have faith for Yahweh Shemel Shah, even our faith. So we asked Yahweh to remember all this madness we're going through, to keep us in mind, and in a matter of time, all our prayers is going to restore our whole entire kingdom. And our faith in Yahweh, he's going to give us everything back, man. And this is what we're looking forward to, bro. Looking forward to this. Staying prayed up, staying focused, man. Yeah, our disgrace, we are being disgraced now, but we're about to be on top. Because this is a part of purification. And like Apostle Gabar said, he said, how do we, this is our rite of passage. This is our rite of passage, man. It's right along with us going through this. To inherit the kingdom it's going to be great tribulation. It's nothing like this going to happen on earth. And after this, never again. Jacob trouble is going to be crazy. But the Lord was going to get the remnant out. So like I'm seeing a couple of verses. In this video. Gotta get ready to go to the damn, the plantation. And we are under our enemy's jurisdiction. He gonna bust us out of this place, man, and then blow the place. And hey, the Lord, this is Yahweh Shah's planet. This ain't your planet. He want his planet back too. He's gonna do it in style. He's gonna do it with fireworks. The fireworks you made, Esau, he's gonna do it with those fireworks. Salakia. Trying to think of a verse to end this with. Alright, we're gonna go to Lamentation chapter. We're gonna go ahead and end it with this. Just because. It all leads to you, buddy. It all leads to you. It all leads to you, Joshua. This is Lamentation chapter 4, verse 21, the NLT translation. Are you rejoicing in the land of Uz, O people of Edom? But you too must drink from the cup of the Lord's anger. You too will be stripped naked in your drunkenness. Yes, you too, man. You're gonna be so drunk off this, man. You're gonna be stripped naked. When when the Lord put you in slavery, you're gonna be destroyed, man. Right? Verse 22. Oh, beautiful Jerusalem, your punishment will end. You will soon return from exile. But Edom, your punishment is just beginning. Soon your many sins will be exposed. Oh, something to look forward to. Oh, wow. Why do y'all bash me out shot for that? I'm going to give all praise and honor and glory to Yahweh Shemel Shah, Bashim Rakakwadash, Dwadi Yahweh Shemel Shah, for the apostles and the elders of Great Millstone. Shalom to the Akim. Shalom.